Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. I work thousands of IRS cases. I'm pretty much up to date on what's going on with IRS. We kind of have some headwinds coming, and we understand what's going to be happening. IRS, you have to know the IRS collection posture right now. IRS has a massive amount of inventory of people who owe back taxes. When you break those segments out, you find out that about 80% of those cases are under $50,000, and the rest, obviously, 20% over. IRS must find a way to go ahead and make online the way to deal with those cases under 50,000. So right now, there's plans right now of people submitting their financial statements and dealing with AI to take care of their debt online. So the computers are being programmed right now to make that happen. On debts that are well over six figures, they're going to have revenue officers work those cases. So expect in the very near future a shift that IRS is probably going to be doing to the vast majority, an AI shift where they're going to be talking back and forth to the computer. That should work out well, and the rest for revenue officers. So that's the big news coming out of IRS collection. As far as everything else, it's a crapshoot right now. Nobody knows. We're going to have to see how that all plays out. If you need me with anything, Mike Sullivan, former IRS agent. I've worked thousands of cases. Thank you for listening today.